folks, this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City. Gorgeous day today, so we decided to stage outdoors because this is how you want to enjoy your RV part of the time, don't you? I would. So, and by the way, this is just water. It's not a mixed up cocktail, so just saying. Anyway, we are gonna look at an Alliance Valor Toy Hauler, and it's fabulous. It's got an outdoor kitchen, outdoor TV, or entertainment center, I guess you would call it, and extra slides, and so much room. You can take the whole family with you. So we'll go ahead and go inside, check out everything in there. Control panel, that's always good. I like having everything in one area and easy to read. It's always lit up, so much easier than trying to find light switches, as we were just doing in another RV, trying to find how to light it up. So we have got an excellent full-size chef's kitchen. We've got great stove, oven, refrigerator with the drawer, freezer drawer down here. Got a great stereo. We've got pantry. Pantry with the LED lights that come on when you open the door so you can see all your goods. Great TV and living room space, really nice and comfy. I love the fireplace. It gives such a warm feeling of ambiance that is so different from other RVs or even homes. You got to have some sort of fire source. It's really cozy. So we're going to go out here, check out the cargo area, which has tons of room. There's a little half bath over here. Very convenient for when you have family, when you have kids. Everybody's staying all together. It's always nice to have an extra little WC. And in here we've got the beds and couches that come down. And again, just like some of the other toy haulers that we've looked at, they can have the porch out back with the screened in area. And then over here we've got the wall mounted TV, so kids can watch TV or whoever's sleeping up there in the bunks. Plenty of awesome space, and hookups for washer and dryer, which if you're out and getting dirty and muddy, it's nice to have a washer and dryer to take care of everything. We'll go back here to the other end and check out the master suite, which we've got the Jack and Jill door, so anybody can come in from any angle depending on. Great sized bathroom. I love having the elbow room, so there is the great counter space and the nice big shower, residential shower. Nice king size bed, great storage space, another wall mounted TV, and then we've got great. Are you going too fast? Oh, I'm sorry. I do love the drawers. Oh my goodness, okay, of course. There we go. Well, you got to remember, some of them lift up a little when you pull out, especially brand new. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, great closet. Got plenty of hanging space. Both sides also have hanging space, so not just the center. Plenty of room for the clothes horse in your family. Okay. Folks, this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and this was the Valor from Alliance Toy Hauler. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call.